In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Discord profile link. So the first step is to head over to the Discord application and then click on the settings icon in the bottom navigation. From the left hand side, scroll all the way down to advanced and select this, and then make sure you have developer mode turned on like so, and then you can just press the escape button to close out of the settings. And then what you need to do is head over to any of your servers from the left hand side, and from here you just need to scroll up to one of your previous messages, or you can just type in a new message to the chat. From your message, you'll see your profile name. We just need to click on this like so, and then you need to click on your profile picture. In the top right hand side, select the 3 horizontal dots and then press copy user ID. Now what you need to do is head over to the notepad on your computer, and from here you need to type in discordapp.com/users/ and then you need to paste in your Discord ID number. So this will be the URL that you can now share and send to all of your friends. So if I head over to an internet browser and I paste that in, you can see that will take me directly over to my Discord profile page. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you share your profile on Discord. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you on the next one.